Hey everyone, my name is Karen and I will host you here at Kramer booth introducing our mission critical applications. Kramer has a solution combined with ISE Labs secured KM and KVM switchers where we can offer a secured solution for you for your applications. We offer secure solutions for government, for defense, for banking and trading, and for emergency services. Our solution includes, first of all, the main component, which is the secured KM or KVM switcher. All of them are common criteria certified with the new protocol PPS version 3. And all of them are highly secured with tampering security. We have here a set of the new 4K products. The KVM combiner is a unique product. You can see here 4 inputs at the same display, supporting touch, supporting 4K scaling input and output, HDMI and DisplayPort, supplying you the best solution for your secured control and command center. Then for user desktop application, we have both KM and KVM switchers where we offer secured user desktop applications. The user desktop application are used for any environment which has more than one PC combined together to prevent data leakage between one network to the other. Kramer is also offering secured meeting rooms. We are the only today supplier of secured meeting rooms. By adding just one box, the isolator, any room can be now secured, providing fully isolated network to the meeting room. Thank you everyone. You are welcome to join me at Kramer booth where we can show you a live demo of our secured solution.